Welcome to this tutorial on PowerPoint. We will show you how to save your presentation, as well as how to upload it to the symposium's website. First part, what resources you need to download. First element, the PowerPoint template sent to you by email. On this template you will be able to add your presentation. If you would like to have a video, please integrate it into your PowerPoint. And last point, your notes that will be useful to you. Second step, some instructions before recording. We want to be very careful with several elements. First of all, there must be no noise around you, i.e. no music, no people in the same room as you. Please avoid any source of noise that may affect the recording. Secondly, it is important to have the correct attire required. Third part, we recommend that you check the webcam and the microphone, and that they are both well connected. Last point, it is important that the background of your camera is a working environment, and not a room that would not be suitable for recording. Ideally a white wall. Third step, how do you record your presentation? When your slides are ready, you must first click on Slideshow, then on Record Slideshow and Record from Beginning. At this step, please click on the camera icon and please check that your microphone is well activated. On this button you will be able to switch slides. When you are ready, please click on Record button and start your presentation. When you have finished, click on Stop button. Fourth step, how to save your presentation as a video file. On this icon you can check if your presentation is well recorded. Once it's done, resize and relocate the webcam in order to cover the white space. When your presentation is ready, please click on File. Then Save as you select the folder where the video must be saved. It's very important to save the file as mpg4 video.mp4 and click on Save. Once the saving is finished, please check on your selected folder that the video is correct. Fifth step, how to save your video in PDF on the Congress website. To do this, we have sent you by email the link to access your personal space with the necessary login details. First of all, it is important to convert your PowerPoint to PDF format. As soon as this is done, you can connect to the Congress site thanks to the link sent. Then click on the Login tab. You must insert your email, password, the CAPTCHA, and finally click on Login. To arrive here, you have to click on View Your Abstract. You can see that only the accepted abstracts have the possibility to insert the video and a PDF presentation. I click on Upload Video. You can see that the title and description are automatically inserted and cannot be modified. Then I click on Browse. I select my video in MP4. It downloads right here. It is very important not to leave the page, even if the video is 100% downloaded. You have to wait until the pop-up Upload Successful appears. Then I click on OK. Automatically I am redirected to my account. You can see a link that corresponds to my video on Vimeo. but the video remains with the status as not published. I do the same with the PDF. I download the document and wait for the pop-up to appear. There, I have my 2 links, but they are still not online. To make them visible on the website, the Secretariat of the Congress has to approve your elements. This can take a few days. As long as the upload buttons are visible, it means that the contents are not yet checked, and that you can still modify them. As soon as this is confirmed, we switch to his published status, and the upload buttons will have disappeared. At this point, if you want to modify the documents, I ask you to send an email to this email address. Thank you for your attention and do not hesitate to contact us for any further information.